Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, in this video I'm going to provide some information about parent and grandparent sponsorship 2020. So IRCC has finished sending invitations to the selected candidates through the draw. So those who have received the invitations, they have 60 days to submit their complete application, and it's going to be marked on the invitation. And if you were not selected, then you'll have another opportunity. That means you got to try again this year. So they are yet to post it, but when available they will definitely post it. So don't feel disheartened guys. If you want to bring your parents for a longer stay, you have the option of super visa where they can stay for up to 2 years at a stretch. That is a very good option, and that is faster than this sponsorship. But yes, this sponsorship comes with a lot of benefits. So hopefully those who have not got it, they will get it in this time. Thanks for watching guys.